OPPO A5 launched 2019. After more than 2 years, this phone is still worth it in 2021. Find out in this video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, it's the video. Welcome back. So at first talk about the phone build quality. The smartphone built with Gorilla Glass 3 in the front and plastic back and plastic frame. The smartphone comes with 6.2-inch IPS LCD display with resolution 720p into 1520 pixel with 271 ppi density, and this is 81.6 skin to body ratio. So overall the smartphone display is good. In 2021, the smartphone running Android 8 and the smartphone using chipset MediaTek Helio P35 and CPU using octa-core 4x2.3 GHz and GPU using PowerBR GE8320, and this is 3GB RAM and 32GB ROM variant. So overall more than 2 years, the phone performance is still pretty well. All the app opening and closing speed is average quality. So let's move on the camera section. The smartphone comes with 13 megapixel main lens with 2.2 aperture and 2 megapixel depth with 2.4 aperture with LED flash. And the front is come with 8 megapixel selfie camera with 2.0 aperture. So let's see some photo and video sample. Main camera you can record highest 1080 30fps video, and the video quality is average quality. So let's talk about the picture quality. As you can know that OPPO is the camera smartphone, so overall you can take a very good picture in a daylight and low light. The smartphone powered by 4230 mAh battery, so you can get almost 1 day battery backup. Okay, this is all about OPPO A5s 2021 full review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you next time in another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.